Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install redeeming Amex membership rewards to gift cards, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin redeeming your Amex membership rewards for gift cards, log into your American Express account. Once logged in, navigate to the Rewards tab on the main menu. Under the Rewards section, select Membership Rewards. Scroll down to find the Redeem Points option. Click on Redeem Points to access your redemption choices. Look for the gift cards category among the available options. Select gift cards to see a list of retailers and brands. Browse through the gift card options to find one that interests you. Once you've found a gift card, click on it to view more details. Review the required points for that gift card before proceeding. If you're satisfied, click on the Redeem button. You may need to confirm your redemption choice. After confirming, you will receive a notification about your redemption. Be sure to check your email for the gift card confirmation. Your gift card should arrive via email shortly after redemption. Follow any instructions provided in the email to access your gift card. If you encounter any issues, contact American Express customer service for assistance. That concludes the process of redeeming Amex membership rewards for gift cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.